One of the biggest things that I asked as well is, can I take this on an empty stomach? How do you take it? When should you take it? And I think it would be helpful for people to understand. I know the recommendation is to take it with fat. Can you explain that a little bit?
Well, first and foremost, God designed us to eat food, not a bunch of pills, right? Isn't that what we've been designed for foods. So I want you to think in terms of our products being developed as a food source. We try to put in the least amount of things to hold them together. We try to put in the things, whatever we have that is not a plant part, if it's going to be in a very tiny amount, and it's going to be because it's the only way we can keep a tablet held together, or it's going to be the only way that it's going to be carried through the body. Now, the reason we have to have fat is because the fat, many people think you just take in things and then it goes through your stomach and then it just kind of goes out through your digestive tract out into your blood. It's not exactly that way. We have all kinds of mechanisms that are in there, enzymes that break things down. There's our microbiome. There's different types of microbiotics. Microbiome is a terminology for a colony of lots of different probiotics that are there taking out things and carrying them across the gut. And they have to be carried. So when we take fats, it helps, if you will, to carry things along so that they can connect to the various things that they need to be connected to carry the nutrient components into the blood and then to be utilized. And it also helps signal things. It helps signal that you're getting full. It helps signal all those kinds of things. When you take it on an empty stomach, you're not going to optimize those products being utilized as food sources, which is exactly what we want them to be.
Thank you.